Hello, welcome to Success Institute. In this video, we will learn how to create a sales invoice in Tally Prime step by step. First, open Tally Prime and select your company. From the gateway of Tally, go to Vouchers. Now press F8 to open the sales voucher. Select the customer account. For example, choose ABC Traders. Next, select the sales ledger. Enter the item details. Choose the stock item, enter the quantity, and check the rate. Tally will automatically calculate the amount. Now apply GST if applicable. Ensure the correct tax ledger is selected. Check all the details carefully, including date, party name, and amount. Once everything is correct, press Ctrl plus A to save the invoice. Your sales invoice has now been successfully created in Tally Prime. Thank you for watching.